Bada. Bada bum 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 bada 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 bum bum bum.
My Corona.
Bada bada bum 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 bada 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 bum bum.
My Corona.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO ni Jana Shinabe Dog. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO,
Not a BOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and over here is my Niji, Michael Lyons, and over there, the lovely and the talented Natasha. But today, I just bumped my head on that.
Oh, jeez.
Today, welcome back to the show. We have a really special day planned. We got together and
No, we didn't.
and we planned a show.
Really?
So today's Ojibwe word of the day. I was thinking, just in the spirit of things, we should our Ojibwe word can be I don't know. What do you think? Do you want to do the same word we did for the KAXE spot? Yeah, I suppose we could. This morning we were filming. Well, we weren't filming. We were recording a spot for KAXE, KBXE, Community Radio, and I was going off about this coronavirus and how the Ojibwe word of the day should be toilet paper. GIZIINDIME'ON. GIZIINDIME'ON. Toilet paper. The Ojibwe word of the day. GIZIINDIME'ON. Toilet paper. And I wasn't too impressed with our brothers and sisters, making a mad dash to Walmart and buying up all the toilet paper. I mean, come on, you guys. We all need to use the toilet paper. You don't need to buy it all just for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
But then I was thinking, there's a lot of people are talking about this thing on the news. And this lady gets on there and she's like, hey, you shouldn't call it the China flu. That's racist.
Oh.
But then I was like, how come China flu is racist, but then it's perfectly acceptable to call it the Hong Kong flu-y. Hong Kong flu-y.
Oh, get out of here.
Number one super guy. Or the
Remember that
what was
show?
the other one? Hong Kong flu-y. The Kung flu. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, geez. How do you think of it?
Anyway, today's Ojibwe word of the day: toilet paper. GIZIINDIME'ON. GIZIINDIME'ON. Toilet paper. And with that, I'm gonna turn it over to Michael. Michael, you wanna sing a song or something? Yeah, sure, I can do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. Oh, thank you very much, Nana BOOZHOO. Today's song. Hello, everyone. Let's start off with this. Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Even way down, gee, I found my I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, I know my new. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, I know my new. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, I know my new. GIZIINDIME'ON, GIZIINDIME'ON,
Oh.
Ma Noon Goom. I'm happy to be here today. And that's our Ojibwe sentence of the day, in addition to toilet paper. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the lovely and the talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And my Niji, Nana BOOZHOO. And I'll
Okay.
see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minawa. Hawa.
Hawa! So now what?
You show us everything you've got. Keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you say I wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Then you show us everything you've got. Oh baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. Party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. And party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. And party every day. Oh! Hikes.